Good day guys, and welcome to this new episode. In this episode we are going to show you powerful ideas and philosophies for embracing deep work, whether in business environments or on your own. In 02H Ideas and Book Reviews, we provide motion graphic summaries for great ideas and books. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon in order to be notified of all the future episodes. This episode is divided into two videos. In the first one, the one you are watching right now, we are going to review the powerful concept of Eudaimonia machine, which should be used to promote deep work at business environments. In the second video, whose link will appear now on the screen and in the description below as well, we'll give you 4 extremely powerful philosophies to create your own virtual state of Eudaimonia machine. This state will allow you to work deeply even if your business environment cannot adopt the Eudaimonia machine concept. And as usual, make sure to stay till the end of the video to grab your free bonus. The term Eudaimonia is a Greek word that is made of 2 parts, eu, which means good, and daimon, which means spirit. Eudaimonia then refers to a state in which you are achieving your full human potential. Hence, the goal of the Eudaimonia machine is to create a business setting in which the users can get to a state of deep human flourishing and create knowledge work that is at the absolute extent of their personal abilities. In other words, the Eudaimonia machine promotes the state of deep work. So, what's deep work in the first place? In his book, Cal defines deep work as the professional activities performed in a state of distraction-free concentration that pushes one's cognitive abilities to the limit. These efforts create new value, improve one's skill, and are hard to replicate. Now back to the design of the Eudaimonia machine. It consists of 1-story rectangular building made up of 5 rooms placed in line one after the other. It doesn't have a shared hallway in order not to allow its users to bypass any of the spaces as they get deeper into the machine. In other words, its underlying concept is the lack of circulation. In order to go deeper into the machine, you have to move to the room on the left, and to go shallower, you have to move to the room on the right. The first room you enter when coming off the street is the gallery. It contains examples of deep work produced in the building. The gallery is meant to inspire users and create a culture of healthy stress and peer pressure. The next room is the salon, which provides access to coffee and drinks. The salon is designed to create a mood that hovers between intense curiosity and argumentation. This is a place to debate, brood, and in general, work through the ideas that you will develop deeper in the machine. The next room is the library, which stores permanent records of all work produced in the Eudaimonia machine, as well as books and other resources used in the previous work. The fourth room represents the office space, which contains a standard conference room with whiteboard and some cubicles with desks. It also has an administrator with a desk who can help the office users improve their work habits and optimize their efficiency. The office space is for low-intense activities. In other words, this is the space to complete the shallow efforts needed by your project. The fifth and final room of the machine is a collection of what's called deep work chambers. Each chamber is protected by soundproof walls, and the purpose of the rooms is to allow for total focus and uninterrupted workflow. The recommended process is to spend 90 minutes inside these deep chambers and then take 90 minutes break, then repeat this cycle 2 or 3 times. This will allow your brain to achieve its limits of concentration throughout the day. So, do you think the Eudaimonia machine concept can be adopted in real environments? Leave us a comment telling us what do you think. The question is, what if my current working environment is not adopting this concept? And what if I'm not the decision maker in changing the environment settings? What shall I do in this case? Well, good news is that if your current reality is far from this vision, then you can still follow some strategies that help you simulate the Eudaimonia machine effect on your own. There are 4 philosophies that can help you build your own virtual Eudaimonia machine, but we'll leave them to the second video of this episode. If you like this video, then hit like and make sure to share it with your friends. Also make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon in order not to miss any future episodes. Our free bonus for this video is a pamphlet summarizing the components of the Eudaimonia machine along with the image files representing the design of the machine. Click on the link that will appear on the screen right now in order to download the pamphlet. We'll also leave the link in the description below. Now you can move on to watch the second part of this video, but before doing so, make sure to share it with your friends and hit like if you like this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe in order to receive all the future episodes. Finally, leave us a comment suggesting a book or topic for our next motion graphics video.